Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to use the list view on ClickUp. Now, let's dive right in. Our first step is to open ClickUp and navigate to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see the Spaces option. Now, why do we do this? Well, this is where all your workspaces are located, and it's where we need to start to get to the list view. Next up, click on the Spaces option and select the specific workspace you want to work in. This helps us because it narrows down our scope and takes us directly to the projects we're currently handling. Now that we've done that, you should see several options at the top of your screen. One of these options is the list view. Go ahead and click on that. The reason we do this is because the list view allows us to see all of our tasks in a clear, organized manner, making it easier to manage our day-to-day responsibilities. Once you've clicked on the list view, you'll notice that your tasks are now displayed in a list format. You can easily add, edit, or delete tasks by clicking on the respective icons next to each task. Let me explain why this matters. Having a list view enables us to visualize our tasks better, prioritize them effectively, and ensure we don't miss out on any important deadlines. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you use the list view. ClickUp is pulling all of your tasks from different projects and presenting them in a single comprehensive list. This way, you can see everything you need to do at a glance without having to switch between different project views. Before we wrap up, remember that you can customize your list view in ClickUp. You can choose to sort your tasks by due date, priority, or assignee, depending on what works best for you. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the list view on ClickUp. With this tool, managing your tasks and projects will be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.